We've all heard about the potential benefits of installing solar panels on a home. So today I wanted to talk about 5 important things to take into consideration if you're purchasing a home that already has solar panels installed. Number 1, is there a loan or a lease on the solar panel system? This is important because oftentimes we see that the leases and loans have amounts that are anywhere from $20,000 to $40,000. And if those are not going to be paid off at the time of closing, then you as the buyer will have to assume that loan. So not only do you have to qualify for the financing for the house, but you're also going to have to qualify for the cost and the assumption of the lease on the solar panel system. Number 2, who manufactured the solar panels and who installed them? This is important because you want to know if they're still in business. Are they still going to be around to fix things when they go wrong? And are there still going to be parts available if that system does need to be repaired? Number 3, is there a warranty on the panels? So this goes back to the second question, which is, are the manufacturer and the installer still around? Are they still in business? Because if you ever do need to have service on the solar panels, you want to make sure you have a company that stands behind the product who can come and fix it. Otherwise, the warranty is no good. Secondly, on the warranty issue, you want to make sure that that is transferred to you at the time of closing. If that doesn't happen, you essentially have no warranty on your panels. Fourth, what is the average monthly electric bill today with the panels installed? And what was it before the panels were installed? This is important because you want to know how efficiently these panels are working. If you're making a huge investment of $30,000 on solar panels, you want to make sure there's a return on that investment and be able to understand how long it's going to take to get that return. And finally, number 5, will your insurance company cover the solar panel system? Again, this is important. You are taking on a $30,000 potentially an obligation. You want to make sure if damage occurs to those panels because of natural causes, such as particularly in Texas, hailstorms, then you want to make sure you're able to have those items repaired under your insurance policy. These are just a few of the things to keep in mind if you're buying a home that has solar panels. If you need guidance to help you through this process, give us a call. We have the experience and we can help.